Hello YouTube, it's Portuguese DIY Dad, and I'm hoping to help someone out today with this P0442 code. So here we go. P0442, small evap leak. So just gonna give you some advice from some things that I learned through this experience. It's been a 9-month journey of trying to figure out what's wrong with my vehicle. So first thing I did was I changed the gas cap. That's the first thing that Google says if you look at a list of things to do, starting with the gas cap. So that's the first thing I did. Actually, I did that about 2 years ago, and that eliminated the code. But then it came back 9 months ago, and then I'm trying to figure out, well, I changed the cap 2 years ago, so it can't be the cap. So I moved on to the next thing, which was the solenoid. And that's right on over the engine. I'll show you. So that's the solenoid right there, and then there's this tube right here that I also changed. So very easy to do. It took about 10 minutes. If you're a little handy, you can do it. So I did that, and that wasn't it. So then I moved on to the vent valve, I believe it's called, and that's under the car, right above the spare tire. So you can't see it, but it's right there. This is actually the tube that goes up, and that's a vent. So I changed that part. Yep, that wasn't it. So then there's a charcoal box right there. You see it? And also changed that part. Yep, that wasn't it. So I had a friend of mine drop the gas tank and check all the tubes that go above it, and nope, that wasn't it either. So scratching my head, I didn't know what to do. So then I figured out that well, I didn't figure it out. It was actually one of my students, and I'm a teacher in high school, so went to the auto mechanics section, and then this kid said, hey, let's check your gas cap again. So we checked the gas cap, and this is a new one. So the old one had a crack in it right here. So because it had a crack in it, it was letting vent fumes out, and it was triggering the code. So it was a $10 fix. So I could have saved all that money if I just had replaced the gas cap one more time. So word of advice to you is change the gas cap. Go on Amazon, buy yourself a $12 gas cap or a $10 gas cap. Change that, reset the light, see if that fit does it. If not, then move on to the solenoid, the purge valve on top of the engine. That's normally the second thing to go. There's a thing you can buy to test it. I think it was also like $15. I bought it. It's good to have. You can do that, test it, see if it's that. If not, change the part, and then move on, and then go on to the harder things to change. But I just want to give you some advice, something I learned from the P0442 code. I hope this helps someone. Thanks.